1987 Donruss wax pack box. This will be video 2 of 2, packs 3 and 4. Be sure to check out video 1 of 2 to see what we pulled, to see what rookies we're looking for, and also to see what error cards we're looking for. We'll take a look at those box bottom cards here at the end of this video. 15 card wax packs. Let's take a look at pack number 3. Oh, looked like it was closed a little janky there. For some reason, we're getting some staining on the very bottom card. We found it in the first 2 packs, and we got it in this one here. So we're going to go ahead and toss out the Tim Stoddard card due to that staining on the back. Puzzle piece for 1987 is Roberto Clemente. Looks like we've got the bottom left corner there. For cards, we've got Phil Bradley. Make sure these corners are good. Yeah, they look fine. Rich Dotson. Mike Heath. There is our Roberto Clemente puzzle piece card. That's what the puzzle would look like when it's finished. Very cool on that. We'll throw that up there. Donruss Diamond Kings card of Dave Winfield. Very nice. We'll take that. Not one of the error cards, but very cool. Rich Bordy. Bill Ullman. Scott Bradley. Danny Cox. Dennis Oil Can Boyd. It's the second card of this that we pulled. Mickey Brantley. Danny Jackson. George Bell. And finally, Craig Reynolds. Good deal. So that third pack, we picked up the DK of Dave Winfield. Very cool on that. Real happy. And the Roberto Clemente puzzle piece card. What the puzzle will look like. Let's take a look at pack number 4. Pack number 4, now we don't have any staining on this back card, so that's good. Here is the Roberto Clemente puzzle piece. All right, for cards, we've got Mike Trujillo. Corners are looking fine. Jack Clark. We'll throw Jack some love today. Lonnie Smith. Don Baylor. Rob Murphy. Donruss Diamond Kings card of Ted Higuera. Very cool on the DK, not one of the errors though. Tom Browning. Dan Quisenberry. Jim Traber. Barry Jones. Bobby Witt. Dennis Powell. Damaso Garcia. Bob Nepper. And finally, Chris Cotaroli. Not bad. We landed Jack Clark. Was a phenomenal player back in his time. And DK of Ted Higuera. All right, so these box bottom cards, what I'm probably going to do is cut them out, but leave them, I'm not going to cut them out individually, just going to cut them out from the back. We've got the Roberto Clemente puzzle piece with its puzzle lines. Got Dale Murphy, that's key. Jeff Reardon, the GOAT, Jose Canseco. And then here is the Hey kids, cut carefully along lines to form your special Roberto Clemente puzzle. Oh, okay, so that meant to be a puzzle card. And there's the So it looks like PC. We've got PC 10, 11, 12. So that must be what the cards are labeled. Very cool. Very, very cool. All right, folks, there you have it. The last 2 packs, 15 card wax packs of 1987 Donruss from the box. Now, we do have some more, about 8 or so individual packs from that second box that came from McNulty Sports Cards. So this isn't the last packs, period, but the last in this box. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, y'all, and stay tuned.